This is Jasmin. She's in Adonis's stall right now. She's pawing at the fresh sawdust we just got. The thing is she gonna roll? Maybe. There she goes into her stall. This is where she'll probably roll. Yes, Jasmin. Yes, we got rollage coming. Yeah, she's adjusting, and we gonna get, yes, rollage, paw again. Are you gonna roll again? Are you gonna roll for us again, Jasmin, baby girl? Hello. Yes. Are you gonna roll for us again, baby girl? Huh? Are you? Are you gonna roll for us? Or are you gonna give the camera some lovin'? Yes, you're gonna give the camera some lovin'. Yes, you're my pretty girl. Yes, you are. You're pretty. Jasmin is a blood bay Pasofino mare, registered. And isn't she a pretty girl? Now her roommate, Adonis, he's in the paddock. Let's scroll around. Hello, Adonis. How you doing? Hello, Adonis. And his white mark. Don't know how he got that. Now back to Jasmin. Are you gonna give me some more lovin'? Oh, my pretty girl, you are such a good girl. Okay, this is Beth Brownell with Adonis and Jasmin in the barn. Bye-bye.